closed, and we'll hear from Mr. Saldana, and then we will close this bill for today. Welcome. Good to have you in this committee. Introduce yourself and give us your testimony.
Good morning. My name is George Saldana. I'm kind of impartial to the bill because I can see it from both sides. I think we need to look through a different perspective. Like the Family Law Foundation and the Judge Hayes said, every case is different. We have multiple bills flowing through this House, and I'm talking both chambers for judicial accountability. They're judges that are constantly getting it wrong on both sides. That's the common denominator. So we have both sides coming and feuding about which reunification therapy process should begin. But if we pay attention to the rule of law, and let's go through the SJRs that have been flowing through this building for parental rights, medical, educational, and parental rights bill, the umbrella of parental rights, SJR 34. It says governmental interest, a compelling governmental interest. Before you can limit, restrict, or terminate a parental right, and in that compelling state interest, it must be truly compelling, it must be narrowly tailored, least restrictive before you can do that. Now, in the Starry case, Starry v. Etheridge just came down 2 weeks ago from the Texas Supreme Court. Justice Bland wrote that opinion, and in that opinion on page 8, both these courts and Supreme Courts of the United States have long recognized the fundamental right of parents to make Texas law rightly require that before infringing on a parent's right to care and have custody of their child, they must demonstrate to a court that government intrusion is warranted. Child welfare is an issue, but it requires a clear and convincing evidence standard before you can start limiting and restricting a parental right. And I close.
On this bill, do you want to be shown for?
Impartial.
For, against, or on? On is normally, I'll put whatever you want.
I'd like impartial. I'm in between.
So we're going to put you as on the bill, if that's okay with you.
Sure.
That's the closest we have to impartial. We only get to pick one of them.
This is way above my pay grade. This is for judges, but until we have judicial accountability ruling on the rule of law, that's when all these litigants here are going to come together and find unity. Thank you.
Thanks for your testimony. Those are all the witnesses we have registered to testify on for or against House Bill 3783. Public testimony is closed, and the bill's left pending at this time. And